I have an image on the artboard. How you can select a specific part of any image. Now grab the selection tool and select the image. Now click on crop image option under the quick access panel. The selection frame appears on the image. Now you can select the specific part of the image using the frame. You can adjust it according to your choice. And when you are done, then click apply. The selected part of the image is here. Now let's see the second method. Grab the pen tool. Now click on the area that you want to select and it will create anchor point. As the fill color is appearing, so set the fill color to none. Join the starting and the end point. Now grab the selection tool, select image and the selected area and click on clipping mask. The selected part of the shape is here. Let's see another method. I am using the ellipse tool here. You can use any shape tool of your choice. Drawing a circle on the shape by holding Shift and Alt key. Adjust the shape over the image. Now select shape and image both and click on the clipping mask option. Here is the selected part of the image. So I hope you have learned how to select part of an image in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. See you in the next video.